So welcome back to another video guys. My name is Bhaskar and today's HTML topic is text formatting. We're going to make our text bold, italic and underlined. So let's get started. Opening my code editor here and HTML file. So html.html file is here. This is my basic syntax. This is name of my web page. I've already opened our html.html file here. Okay. So for example, you have some plain text hello. Suppose you want to format this text or this uh, whatever you have written over here, you want to format this, you want to either make it bold or italic or underline. How will you do that? So first of all, let us discuss about bold. To bold the text, you will simply use b tag. You can see bold. So I'm pressing B here and pressing enter. You can see opening bold tag and closing bold tag. So the content will be lie over here in between. So this is my plain text and I'm copying and pasting it over here, saving and refreshing the page. You can simply see the difference. This is our plain text and this is our bold text. To separate them, to break the line, you can simply use break tag, br tag, yeah, line breaking tag. Okay, so this is your plain tag and text and this is your bold text. So now if you want to italic style, if you want to write the text in italic style, then you simply use I tag. The same opening I tag and closing I tag, and the content will go inside it. Again apply br so that this hello gets separate from this, saving and refreshing. Do you notice? This is our plain text, this is our bold text and this is our italic text. Now you want to make the text underlined, so you will simply use u tag. U stands for underline. Again I'm copying the content and pasting it over here, refreshing it. See, again br tag will separate the line. So this is a plain text, bold text, italic text and underlined text. So these are the simple ways to format the texts. Now suppose if you want to uh, apply two formats on a single text, you want to make it bold as well as want to make it underlined. So how will you do that? So either you can copy and paste bold tag outside the underline or inside the underline. It depends upon you uh, on which text you want to apply which format. So I'm making it bold, so I simply mentioned the bold tag outside the underline text. So you can see this underline text is now bold tag as well. Same goes with italic. If you want to make it italic as well, you simply need to make the content, this whole thing, make the content of I tag, so it will again become. And it doesn't matter in which order you are using this, it completely depends upon your requirement. So you can also bold tag here and mention bold tag over here. You just need to remember this order, the same order you are opening it, the same order you will need to close it. Okay, so the text will become italic as well. So all three formats I have applied over there. Suppose if you want to apply these formats to a paragraph, how will you do that? So I'm opening the dummy paragraph over here and I'm using p tag. Okay, so I've copied and pasted the paragraph over here. I'm wrapping the text. Okay, now suppose you want to apply you want to make these text bold. So what you simply do, put bold tag over here. Okay, then this part of the paragraph will be shown as bold part. There you go. See, so it depends upon your requirement what text you want to make bold, what text you want to make italic and underline. If you want to apply all three settings, for example, so what I did, I applied all the three formats over here. Now you can see this text is bold, italic and underlined as well. To make the whole paragraph italic, you can either open tag here and close tag outside the p tag, or inside the p tag, it doesn't make any changes. Okay, so there you go, the whole paragraph is now italic. So this was our small topic about formatting, text formatting, where we made the text underlined and italic and bold. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you will practice this video, practice these tags after watching this video. Let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep searching and keep practicing.